Mr. and Mrs. Marvin and Madel, now married.
What's up, people? And next stop, mapit na. Pag-asawa na kasagdanan. Bakit ka ba? Oh, mama! Good day, people! Welcome to BITOKBITOK University with my kiddos. Hi to Raver. Hi Ella. Hi Rusty. Og nami karon diri sa Chali Beach Resort. Nagunsa man mi diri, wala ka nang na-board lang go. Tapos nilang dayon diri ana ba nang dagan mo gi kwarta man lang. Char lang. Nag-attend mo gud mi sa wedding sa akong bayaw. Alright, syempre para ipakita sa inyo ha. Kung unsay nit, ano na may didi? Ew, gadidi pa si River.
No,
oh my
it's for
God.
Ella.
Ah, for Ella din. Okay. Guys. Para makita niyo kung unsay naitabo. Diyon sa ang kasal. Let's all watch this.
Wow.
This.
Some of us are excited to enter the sacrament of marriage, but some are not anymore. Somehow, they are fear of it. We cannot deny the reality that not all marriages are made from heaven. We have seen happy and loving couples before, seeing with feelings, ikaw lamang ang aking mamahalin. Till death do us part, are now separated. If not, they are waging a cold war with each other. We have many broken families today, and we know how their children are suffering and devastated by their parents' separation. We also know couples are still living in one roof, and yet the fire of their love is no longer there. Their marriages become a routine, and bringing up their children becomes heavy burden, an obligation, and not a chosen responsibility and joy. Some couples are not even married, but living together without a church blessings, because they feel that a church marriage is a legal hindrance if they decide to part ways.
Una sa tanan, salamat kayo sa nag-attend. Salamat kayo sa sponsors, sa family ni Madel, friends, tanan, sa akong family.
Kay at least mawala na siya. In which, I found out nga, dili good siya maayo. But then, he encouraged me na open up and musturya. And thank you also sa patient. Sa pasensya and also sa love. Thank you.
There you go. Okay, so karon dire magtugtulog sa amin, timing kay wala banding-banding, kay dugay mo ko siglaglag, di ba? So after this, tomorrow dayon mag-swimming sa dayon with the kiddos. Salamat day ko kang Ma'am Chikay Dumpa o siyang bana nga si Ian. Kay supposed to be among room katuratan ng simple to ilang gi-upgrade. Lakas kay mi. Thank you very much. Thank you sa inyong pagtanaw nito sa Tumoy. I love you all. And again, congratulations sa akong mga bayaw. O actually live-in na sila. Karon nagpakasal na gid sila. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe down below.
Yeah, subscribe. This is Raver.
Yeah.
This is Paula. Always watching YouTube. Bye. Boom.
Makalagot nga makita nga inanaga ang kalipay nga susama sa atong duha nga nabati